सर, शंकर सर, अभिषेक सर, राघवेंद्र, सैयद टीम, consisting of Shankar sir captain, Ashish sir, Abhishek sir, Raghavendra, Sayyid Baba sir, Chandan Sharma sir, Jafar, Ram Mohan, IG Venkat, Appani, IRC, Jitendra sir.
Guna sir won the toss and elected bat first.
Captain Guna sir.
It's a
मेरे को रनर चाहिए
फिर
Masters team has won the toss and chosen for bat. Masters team will be fielding first.
सुमित सर इसको खींचिए ना थोड़ा ऊपर ऐसा उसको हाँ ऊपर ये ऐसा हाँ या बस राइट हाँ राइट
छोटो वो बैठ दो यार इधर
हाँ ओके लगा दिया मैं It's a
Both teams will be getting
great view. It's a third match of the day.
to bat.
So Guna sir won the toss and elected bat first. Shankar sir,
Each for the team.
Ashish sir, we can see the player.
अभी रनर सर गुना सर का
My apologies.
Jafri, Abhishek sir, Rahul sir, Sayyid Baba, IG Venkat Rao.
Each team will be getting 10 overs to
We
showcase
can
their
team.
talent in batting and bowling.
It's a 10-over match. Fielding setup. Stay.
सैयद वेयर आर यू आई एम ऑन नेक्स्ट साइड उधर मैं तो हाफ में रहूंगा हाफ में तो मैं उधर जा रहा हूं
Officiating match umpires Appani Ramesh and Rahul.
पॉइंट पे रहिए कहां पे रहना आप यहां शंकर सर
Wicket
सर
keeper.
आप सामने रह जाइए
Masters team busy in arranging the field.
चलो सर
शंकर सर एक को पीछे लगा दीजिए ना किसी एक को
आईआरसी राइट साइड
नहीं.
शंकर सर
I request title players to come off the ground.
रेडी सर नहीं मालूम
पूछ लो.
नहीं मालूम
Umpires ready. Field is ready.
पानी
Request title team to send the batters.
चंदन शर्मा
चंदन शर्मा.
ए नूला कीपिंग जाई
I request title team players to come off the ground.
ए बाबू तुम्हारे को एम्पायरिंग करने आता हां करने एम्पायरिंग
Guna sir and Aman sir onto the ground.
चंदन शर्मा. So आप देख गुना सर, सोडी सर. Guna sir, Sodi on first. They are open the bat. Chandan Sharma, runner, yes sir. Chandan Sharma will be the bowler. Batsmen are checking the ball. It's go ahead from batters. Aman sir will open the inning. Aman.
बैटर और फील्ड कैप्टन हाथ मिलाते हुए एक दूसरे के साथ.
Fielding setup.
Aman
by
sir and
Shankar
Guna
sir,
batting crease.
Aman sir and Guna sir. Guna sir on non-strike. Aman sir will open the inning
नहीं 11 नहीं है 10 है
for
Titans team batting.
Guna sir's team.
10 overs.
Chandan Sharma on bowling.
I said you to go there, man.
Umpires Appani ready to start the match. Chandan Sharma sir to bowl the first over.
संतोष बोला संतोष
Naidu sir bhi hai na? Naidu sir is not playing.
अपनी फील्डिंग चल जाओ
They are from other team, I think.
भैया इधर कोई है नहीं आ रहा है सर आ रहा है कौन है नहीं हूं सर पीछे देखना पड़ेगा पीछे हां मारेंगे सर अपने लड़िया इनको
वो सर खेल रहा है
नहीं आप लोग इधर खेलेंगे
अरे वो
अपने लेके लो
मेरा मोबाइल दे दो
यार यू आर मेकिंग मेरा बॉल दे दो ना मेरा अंदर हूं
It's a 10-over match and fielding setup is going on. Kanak Rai will be the umpire. Don't come in pressure. Play your role, Kanak Rai. नहीं हम इधर रहेंगे.
Aman sir taking the strike.
Okay.
Chandan sir to bowl the first over.
Chandan Sharma with his first
Shawan sir
ball
running in between.
to Aman. Stump. Okay.
Request everyone to cheer up for the first ball.
1, 2, 3. And it's the start.
Dikhao.
First ball, Chandan Sharma to Aman sir. It's a wide ball. Boys, boys, 1 run. Guna sir on strike.
Second ball of the
Chandan
over.
first
Guna sir
ball.
strike.
Nice ball.
Guna sir hit completely.
Well bounced.
और शंकर सर बॉल
And 1 ball, 1 run.
Mani sir will be running for Guna sir.
1 bounce. It's a warning from umpire.
Next ball of the over.
Next ball of the over.
Has to cut.
Wanted to cut in sleep, but missed totally. And no run from the dot gain, dot ball.
Next ball of the over. Guna sir on
Third
strike.
ball of the over. And it's Ashish sir is over there, but only 1 run. Well fielding. Well fielding. At boundary, it's important that you need to judge the ball, how it coming, how I can stop
Next
it.
ball by Chandan sir.
Fourth ball,
Aman sir on strike.
Chandan to Aman sir. And it's toward boundary. It's toward boundary.
Behind the ball.
Oh yes, well fielding over there.
Again.
And saved 2
2
runs
runs completed
for
in
team.
between by Aman sir.
2 runs. It was about to go outside the boundary. It should be last ball. Kanak. No? 2 ball. Okay. Last 2 balls. We got 4 runs from this over.
आखिरी बॉल पहले ओवर की. Aman sir on strike.
Should be wide.
Completely.
Umpire decision wide.
एक रन और जीतता हुआ खाते में.
नया रूल पे बॉल है ये चलो चलो कोई नहीं अच्छा बॉल है सर अच्छा बॉल है
Last ball.
It should be last ball, yeah. नहीं ये लास्ट है. कनक कनक
थोड़ी सी फील्ड सेटिंग चेक करते हुए बैट.
कनक लास्ट बॉल है. आई एम ऑल्सो काउंटिंग. मैं काउंट कर. हाँ? हाँ पहला बॉल वाइट था इसीलिए लास्ट है ना. हाँ 5 बॉल हुए ना. 5 बॉल 5 बॉल लास्ट बॉल. Wow, what a shot, what a shot.
It was off strike.
It's again same place. 1 run.
एक रन
1 run
आकर पूरा किया. ओवर की समाप्ति.
after completion of 1 over 6 run.
आखिरी नुकसान.
It was good bowling by Chandan Sharma, well stopped. Second over. Coming Shankar sir.
सर आपके बाद डालो, आपके बाद सर डालेंगे। सर इधर आ जाओ थोड़ा।
दूसरे ओवर की शुरुआत करने आए शंकर सर।
राइट सर।
अमन सर ऑन स्ट्राइक।
Second over.
सही है।
Shankar sir is
इनका ऑफ साइड बहुत स्ट्रांग लग रहा है। हाँ ठीक है। नहीं ठीक है रहने दो।
Second over of the innings. Shankar sir ready
आगे
on the mark.
सर और ठीक है।
Aman sir on batting strike. Shankar sir will
और थोड़ा
pass his first ball.
Strike.
ओके।
Fielding setup is going on. And here we go.
First ball of the second over. Aman sir.
First ball. Oh, what a ball! What a ball! It's uphill. Uphill from wicket keeper. Yeah, no.
Signal by the umpires.
Not out. Umpire decision. Way slow Yorker. No run.
ओवर की अगली गेंद अमन सर स्ट्राइक पर
Second game and yes, LBW uphill again.
करने की कोशिश।
Should be leg by's run.
ओके सर ओके।
एक रन चुराया।
Should be leg by's.
सॉरी
Well bowling.
यही तो टेक्निक है सर।
Well-
लेट पे रेड नहीं दिखना है बॉल।
Well stopped.
मुझे मालूम है।
Still it's a 8 ball and no boundary.
नेक्स्ट
For Guna sir team.
गुना सर ऑन स्ट्राइक।
Third ball. Shankar sir to Guna sir. Yeah, and again it's a well ball. Very nice.
Missed it completely.
Well pressure.
Light appeal by the keeper and the fielder, but no response from the
It's
umpire.
appeal after appeal. Pressure is building up on Guna sir's team. It's a 9 ball,
अगली
only
गेंद
6 runs.
शंकर सर की।
Wow, what a ball!
बोले सर।
What a bowling! Only 1 run, 4 ball, 1 run.
No run conceded.
4 ball, 1 run.
Second over.
Well,
of the match
variation in
progress.
ball.
Guna sir on
Shankar
strike.
sir to Guna sir again. And again, it's a drop. Drop. Well, variation in bowling. 5 ball, 1 run. Well stopped. It will much required to score more run. It's a wide.
Next ball, wide का इशारा।
फंस गया। हाथ में फंस गया।
छक्के की ख्वाहिश ऑडियंस द्वारा।
And it's last
अगली
ball.
गेंद। It's-
Wow, what a fielding and only 1 run.
No run conceded.
Only 1 run from this over. So we will go to
ओवर
scoreboard.
की समाप्ति। दूसरा ओवर समाप्त। 2 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 8।
8 run. After completion of 2 over, it's a 8 run. Although they didn't lose any wicket, any single wicket, but at the same time, they are not making the run.
On the strike will be
Ashish sir will be the next. Ashish sir will be the next bowler. He's coming with his first over, and for team it's a 3rd over. 8 run after 2 overs.
Third over of the
Ashish sir to Aman sir.
Aman sir on strike.
Yeah, it's a wide.
Toss on the next stump. Wide signal by the
गिरीश का
umpire.
सुनने का गाना गिरीश का गिरीश का सुनेगा
Next ball of the over, Ashish sir. Aman sir on strike.
Again wide.
Missed it completely.
Little
Wide
leg
signal by the
side.
umpire again.
It was good ball, but
छह यूपी मां छह यूपी साथी इकडे मारो छह यूपी
ऑफसाइड विकेट लेग के लिए सर ये वाला रहेगा लेग के लिए ये वाला रहेगा
इन दोनों के बीच में ओके यार सी ఏసడా పూరి ఇట్లా చూపు ఆ చూపి
Next ball of the over. Aman sir on strike. Bowler running towards the pitch.
And it's a wow,
Leg side.
wow,
Good collection.
what a fielding! It was about to run out. Very nice fielding.
Good fielding.
Oh,
21 runs.
what a fielding! Very sharp, very sharp. Saved around 2 runs for team. And it's a Gunasar is on strike now. Ashish sir next
Next ball, Gunasar on strike.
wide.
This is completely wide signaled by the umpire. Score moves on to 12.
Oh, we're getting runs from wide as well. Wide buys are applicable, so score goes on 12.
Next ball, Gunasar on strike.
Oh,
It's in
well,
full leg side.
it's a gap,
Running toward the
but
ball.
yes, upon Ramesh fielder is there. Yes, 2 run.
Batter running for the second run. Complete six.
Wow,
Easy.
what a active. Abhishek sir is hyperactive on ground. What a fielding by Abhishek sir, catching the ball and throwing toward wicket. Ashish sir's next ball to Gunasar.
Ugly game.
They took
Gunasar on
2 run in
strike.
last ball. Oh, well variation. Well comeback by Ashish sir. And still to hit single boundary by Gunasar team. They are collecting run. Ekka dukka 1 2.
Ashish sir की अगली गेंद Gunasar
Well
on
bowling by
strike.
Shankar sir's team and missed again.
मारने की कोशिश बॉल completely miss हो गया.
Buys,
से भी miss एक बाय रन.
buys 1 run.
चुपी आया रेडी 6 चुपी सर वो हाथ बता रहा है देखो सर कीपर
Ashish sir to Aman sir now. Wow, it's a broad boundary, it's a gap. And no way.
एक ही है
It's a first boundary of the inning.
Score moving on to 19.
19 run, third over is going on. It's a 10 over match.
अगली गेंद लेकर आशीष सर. अमन सर on strike.
Ashish sir to Aman sir again. Wow, leg side, it should be 6. No, 4. 4 run. 4 run. Very well batting, very well comeback by Gunasar team now. Now somewhere they are leading. And 2 over, 3 overs.
23 रन.
After completion of 3 overs, it's a 23 run.
फील्ड नहीं सही है
Shankar sir came with his second over, and for team it's a 4th over. Gunasar will be on strike.
लेके आए हैं शंकर सर.
23 run.
गुनासर on strike.
फिर कवर्स पे खेलेंगे
So there are some slight changes in fielding setup. Shankar sir on strike and dot. Very well ball.
Good bowling by Shankar sir. Missed
Very
it
well.
completely.
Couldn't judge at all. There are a lot of variation in bowling. So it's always tough batter to judge it. Well, we can see first was offside, second was leg side, and it's a appeal.
इशारा अंपायर द्वारा.
It's a appeal, but no,
कीपर और बॉलर ने अपील
it's
की
a wide.
है.
कुछ आवाज आया था ना
Declare ball.
हटा दिया.
No.
गुनासर को
Wow. We can see Abhishek sir fielding always. It's a tough fielding. We'll show you from close. He doesn't like jaunty roads.
चौथे ओवर की अगली गेंद अमन सर.
Aman sir is on strike now. Shankar sir with his third ball. Wow, what a hit, sir. Wow, incredible that. Very well catch. What a celebration, what a catch that was by Jaffrey. And it's a bad झटका यहाँ पर गुना सर की टीम को.
अमन सर
He was in well form. was coming. He was well set on crease. And
Score for 1 wicket. The fourth over.
Sampath. Okay. New batsman. Sampath. 3 ball, 4th ball. Shankar sir to Sampath.
Shankar sir bowling.
Wow, placed. Wanted to take 1 run, but
कोई run नहीं.
Sampath sir is not ready. He doesn't want to take any risk. As just he came, they lost big wicket. Aman sir was in good form in previous few overs. It was big jhatka. 5th ball. Shankar sir to Sampath sir.
Sampath sir on strike.
Oh, it's a big. It should be no fielder over there. Baba
Sir.
wow, well fielding. Incredible again. What a fielding. What a fielder they are having. 2 runs. Last
चौथे ओवर की अगली गेंद संपत सर बैटिंग.
Shankar sir, and it should be out. It should be 4. It should be 4. Yes. It was gap.
के बाहर.
Huge gap. And 4 after completion of 4 overs.
ओवर की समाप्ति. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 31 रन.
31 रन.
के नुकसान पर
31 run. Mr. Shukla.
टाइटंस की टीम थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे स्कोर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए.
Shukla is on next bowler. He's coming with his first over, and for team it's a 5th over. Guna sir will be on strike.
सिंगल आउट होते.
30 plus run from. As we have seen, it was only 4 run from first over. Guna sir on strike. Shukla sir, wow, what a ball, what a ball.
Ball by the bowler.
Offside Yorker. Totally beat by Guna sir. Second ball. Next. Wow. Big changes. Variation. Second dot ball.
Ball बिना रन.
Guna sir is not looking in form today. Yes, he knows. Cut at leg side. They will take only 1 run. 3 ball, 1 run from this over. Well stopped. Last 2 overs they got many runs.
5th over in progress.
Sampath is on strike now.
On strike.
Mr. Shukla. Wow, what a ball! It was about to bold and
पिछला हिस्सा लगा और
little missed. Well, 4 ball, 2 run from this over. Again, Guna sir is on strike. What a bowling by Shankar sir teams and fielding as well. Incredible that placed should get 1 run. They are trying for 2.
5th over in progress.
It was on ground. Tum leke to dekho
Loss
run.
of 1 wicket.
It was last ball. Mr. Sampath will face it, and it's a shot. No fielder is there. It should be 4. It should be 4. It should be 4. Yeah. And it's a 4. It's somewhere it's covered by last ball.
ओवर की समाप्ति.
हाँ.
5 overs completed.
5 overs complete.
36 run.
36 run. 5 over complete. 36 run. Ashish sir with 6th over.
6th over of the innings to start.
His individual second over.
Guna sir batting.
Guna sir is on strike, and it's a Jafri is there. Jafri well stopped there at boundary, and only 1 run. Saved around 3 runs for team. Mr. Sampath is on strike now.
Okay, over
It's second
again.
ball
Sampath sir on
of sixth
strike.
over. Again Jaffrey. Let us see this time. Again he stopped it. And
Slight misfield
But-
and batters run for the second run.
can't stop for two. It's 2 run. Slight changes in fielding.
Sixth over running. 40 on
Gap.
the
They want to
scoreboard.
fill the gap
To the
from
loss of 1 wicket.
offside to leg side. Third ball. Ashish sir to Sampath. And it's in air.
Back
No
takes
fielder is
the
available
back,
there.
Runs to
Misfield. They will take 2 runs.
Running behind the ball.
Will take 2 runs.
Cuts it down. Keeps it down to 2 runs. 2 runs added to the scoreboard. Score moves on to 42
Score
for the loss of 1 wicket.
gradually increasing, and it's 42 run. 6th over going on. Captain instructing bowler to keep offside. And it's
Good shot again.
it will turn. No. It is going to boundary, but it will stop at boundary. It will not. And they are taking here 3 runs here. Good tried over there at boundary.
Hope the fielder is good. No injuries.
Should be. Rahul sir?
He's with 3 runs.
Last
चुरा
one,
लिया
हाँ.
बैटर ने.
It's a 5th ball. Guna sir on strike.
अगली गेंद.
Ashish
छठे
sir to
ओवर की.
ball to Guna sir. Full toss. We can see Abhishek sir fielding. Yes, we said like John T. Rhodes, Ajay Jadeja. We can categorize him in that squad. That type of fielding Abhishek sir is doing here.
Next ball of the 6th over.
Ashish sir to Sampath. It should be wide.
Wide called by the umpire. Score moves on to 47 for the loss of 1 wicket. Good shot.
Fielder over there. Shankar sir. Well stop.
Extra run conceded. 6 overs completed. 48 for 1 wicket.
अभिषेक आ जाओ. I'll go there.
6 over.
Titans 48 for the loss of 1 wicket in 6 overs.
6 over completed. 48
4
runs.
overs remaining.
Loss of 1 wicket. Abhishek sir. Abhishek sir with his first over, and for team it's the 7th over. Sampath. Mr. Sampath is on strike. Abhishek sir with his first ball.
White ball.
Left. Abhishek sir. Left-handed bowler. It's always tough batter to
7वां ओवर
play
लेकर
such
अभिषेक
bowler.
सर
And it's a
घुमाने की कोशिश लेकिन
Dot.
कंप्लीटली कोई रन नहीं. अगली गेंद 7वें ओवर की.
second ball going to Shankar sir.
Good fielding there.
He will stop. No. Okay. Only 1 run. Good fielding over there at boundary by Shankar sir. At the same time by Abhishek sir also at stump. And they stop for 1 run only.
50 रन पूरे टाइटंस के.
It's a 50 run.
एक रन
7th over
एक
going
विकेट की
on.
पतन पर.
Guna sir is on strike. Abhishek sir with his next ball. And it should be boundary. Oh, missed. Totally missed. Good variation by Abhishek sir here.
अगली
And
गेंद गुना सर को. ये मारा लेग साइड.
yeah, Ashish sir well fielding over there. And they will stop for 1 only.
एक रन मिलता हुआ.
And only 1 run. Well controlled here.
51 पर.
51 run. 7th over is going on. Wow. It's a gap. It's a gap. Totally out.
लॉग ऑफ की तरफ 4 रन के लिए संपत सर द्वारा.
Outside.
सातवें ओवर में 55 रन स्कोर.
Mr. Sampa again. It's a gap. It's no. Fielder is over there.
सीधा फील्डर के पास.
And misfield, but they don't want to take any chance. And only 1 run. 7 over completed. After completion of 7 over,
सातवें ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर हो गया 56 रन.
56 run.
विकेट के नुकसान पर.
Somewhere well controlled here. It's a drink break.
वहाँ वाटर है उधर. वाटर बॉटल.
It should be drink break.
हर एक में जोश इतना कि 6 ओवर के बाद कोई भी ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक लेने को तैयार नहीं.
It's a drink break. वहाँ पर कोई चेंजेस कर रहे. मैं पी रहा हूँ पानी. अपना है ना बॉटल अपना है ना ये.
8th over
हाँ.
of the innings. Sampath sir on strike.
Shankar sir with his 3rd over. Yeah, and it's out boundary. Out. It's the 2nd wicket.
7 ओवर में संपत सर ने फटे के कारण शॉट नहीं पड़ा और तेरा फील्डर के हाथ में. इसी के साथ दूसरे विकेट का पतन टाइटंस टीम की. अगले बल्लेबाज हनुमंत रेड्डी मैदान में जाते हुए. दोनों सौ को ज्वाइन करेंगे.
Mr. Sampath is out, caught out at boundary. First ball of 8th over. Well bowling by Shankar sir. Hanumant Reddy is the new batsman in place of Sampath.
8वें
ठाकुर.
ओवर की अगली गेंद. मनीष सर ऑन स्ट्राइक.
No. Huh?
ये शॉट उठाया सीधा फील्डर के पास. थोड़ी सी मिस फील्डिंग और लेकिन 2 रन कंप्लीट किए इस बीच.
2 runs from second ball.
2 रन. स्कोर बढ़कर 58 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 8वें ओवर में.
3rd ball. Shankar sir to Thakur. Yeah, and it's a well Yorker.
मारने की कोशिश लेकिन बॉल सीधा.
Should be 2.
इस बीच 2 रन
Should be.
कंप्लीट करते हुए बैट्समैन है. आठवें ओवर की अगली गेंद. मनीष सर ऑन स्ट्राइक.
Wow, it should be out. It should be wide. Well wicket keeping over there by Chandan.
Eighth over running, 61 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets.
Wow, what a ball. It should be leg byes. No fielder over there. Ajay Venkatrav is
Running for the second run, ball stops inside the boundary line.
okay. Somehow he caught it. Ball
2 runs
stopped
completed.
and got to Mr. Ajay Venkatrav. He thrown it but couldn't stop to take 2 runs. Shankar sir to Thakur.
Manish on strike.
Yeah, made it full toss.
Lavan की तरफ straight drive.
Tried for Yorker, but sharply he made it converted in full toss, and it's a long on 4 run.
4 बढ़कर 67 रन, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 67 for 2, 8th over in progress. Good shot again.
Jaffrey is there.
Towards the leg side. Fielder Jaffrey completes, collect the ball. Meanwhile, the batter completes 2 runs.
2 runs.
Score moves on to 69 at the end of 8th over. 69 for 2 is the score for the Titans.
अरे दोनों अभी तक है क्या?
Ninth over.
Ashish
to start.
sir.
Ashish sir, the
Ninth
bowler.
sir.
Guna sir, the batter.
Coming with 9th over. His 3rd over. Wow! There should be. Yeah, yeah, it's out. It's out.
Out by
Huh.
the leg umpire.
It's out. Huh.
There was advantage and Guna sir is out.
What a ball it was.
by Ashish sir.
जगलिंग करके ले
What a catch. Super.
टाइटंस के तीसरे विकेट का पतन होता हुआ
गुड विकेट कीपिंग वेरी गुड
New batsman Hanumant Reddy.
3 wickets in 9th over. Next batter Hanumant Reddy. Next ball of the over.
Ashish sir to Hanumant Reddy. And it's a bite. They will get 1 run.
भगवती भूपति देवा भगवती भगवती देवा भगवती मनमति देवा दलपति दलपति देवा
Next ball of
Next
the
ball
ninth
Ashish
over.
sir to
Manish on
Thakur.
strike.
Manish Thakur. Oh! No touch, no touch.
Strike. Ball hits directly to the wicket.
No run two. No, dead. No, dead हो गया. Dead already. Dead.
अगर वो बाहर था और बॉल इस पे लगी तो आउट नहीं होगा
टच होना था आपका. हाँ.
फील्डिंग में लगते ना तो बट ये इंडिविजुअल के बाद रनिंग नहीं मारा और क्या
2 balls remaining in the 9th over.
सबको मालूम है डेडे बहुत हां रनिंग नहीं आता सर नाइस वन वेरी गुड
What a bowling by Shankar sir team. Ashish sir with his 4th ball. Thakur is on batting lineup. Yeah, and it's in here. Abhishek sir is there.
Clear extent.
No chance at all. It's a 4.
Shot by Manish.
It's 4.
इसी के साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 73.
It's a good shot by good 4 by Manish Thakur.
Score reaches to 74 for the loss of 3 wickets.
73 run. 9th over is going on.
सर नेक्स्ट आई विल
Okay.
चलो बॉयज सर नाइस बॉल सर आएगा हाथ में
9वें ओवर की आखिरी गेंद.
बची है ना
Manish on strike.
5th ball. Manish Thakur is on strike. Should be out. Yeah, and it's out.
Catch
Huh?
missed by the bowler.
Drop.
Lucky chance for the
Oh, it's a dropped.
जल्दी से दो में दो अपना
Last ball. Ashish sir to Manish Thakur, and it should be on. No, missed. Oh, wicket keeper missed it. It would have been out.
Manish survives. Over completed. 9 overs completed.
9 over completed.
Score 74.
74 run after completion of 9 over.
Last over of the innings for the Titans.
After wicket. No, wait. नहीं विकेट विकेट कीपिंग के बाद डायरेक्ट बॉलिंग पे आ सकता है क्या? वेन रूल्स आर एप्लीकेबल
Ready on strike.
शायद नहीं आ सकते. ओके चलेगा.
The bowler.
Chandan. Sir, his next bowler Hanumant Reddy is on strike. It should be wide. Wow, what a shot by
इशारा
Thakur.
अंपायर द्वारा 1 रन टाइटंस के खाते में.
Next ball. It was wide ball, first one. Cut and
Edge by Harman Reddy. The ball going towards
विकेट
the
कीपर के
fielder.
सर के ऊपर से, लेकिन एक ही रन मिलेगा. IG वेंकट राव
Manish gets back the
है वहां पर
strike for the
बाउंड्री
last
पर.
over.
आशीष ठाकुर.
Score moves on to 76 for the loss of 3 wickets.
ऑन स्ट्राइक. चंदन की अगली गेंद
Strike.
और ये गैप में शायद फील्डर वहां पर.
Fielders
अच्छी फील्डिंग
fielding there down.
बार बार हो रही है मिश्रा जी द्वारा.
2 runs completed. Batter running for the
2 run, 3 run. They took 3 run. Hanuman Reddy on strike. Next ball, Chandan batting. He wanted to place it offside, point offside, but totally missed. 3 ball, and it's a 4th ball. Ball is in air. Ashish sir is there. Wow,
1 run completed.
what a fielding.
Gives back the strike to Manish. Last 2 balls remaining for the innings.
Last 2 balls of the inning. Manish Thakur is on strike.
For the Titans. Last 2 balls. Wide signal by
Wide.
the umpire. Score moves on to 81. इनिंग्स की आखिरी गेंद लेके आते हुए चंदन शर्मा सर. Hits it to an offside.
स्लिप में कट कर दिया है. शायद 2 रन मिलेंगे. Oh, good running between the wicket
Takes back
between
for the last
Hanuman
ball.
Reddy and Manish Thakur,
2 runs completed.
and it's the 2 run. Should be last ball. Last ball of the inning.
आखिरी गेंद इनिंग्स की. 83 on the scoreboard.
83 plus. Abhishek sir is there. Oh no, this time he missed.
Batter running for the second run. 2 runs completed. Innings completed for 85 for 3.
85 run.
Titans का final score 85 पे 3 wicket.
85 run.
जीतने के लिए 86 रन. Masters team need 86 to win the match. 5 minutes break in between.
हम आपको ऑडियंस दिखाएंगे. हाँ सर. थैंक यू सर.
चेयरमैन कौन था सिलेक्शन कमेटी का? ये टीम किसने बनाई है बताओ.
ये हमारा पैविलियन जार
It's a small break for 2 minutes.
تروس عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي تروس والله خوش مكسر يا أخي تروس عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي تروس والله خوش مكسر عندي لك رقصة قوية يا
बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी और फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा बाय द मास्टर्स टीम।
सैयद कहाँ है सैयद?
Masters team required 86 runs to win in 10 overs.
सैयद और कौन जाएगा? हमारे अच्छे बैटर्स
ये टीम देखिए, रिलैक्स, विनिंग टीम है ये, विनिंग टीम। चैंपियन, माय फेवरेट टीम। ये हमारे प्रेक्षक आज के पूरे शत्रुघ्न भाई। Naidu sir is not playing today. We will miss you.
We are already on the ground. No missing. Only
Playing missing.
Playing
no?
missing.
Playing missing. That is. लास्ट टाइम कितने खेले थे आपने? वो क्या था आपका? कैच पकड़ा था या व्हाट यू डिड लास्ट टाइम? कुछ दौड़ के कुछ किया था या कुछ ऐसा था उस ग्राउंड पे? समथिंग वाज देयर ऐसा। नायडू सर फेमस हो गए थे उस टाइम पे। ए बोलिन 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 थोड़ा 5 मिनट चार्जिंग भी देख लेना, अगर नहीं है तो लगा देना।
मैं निकला लेके और रास्ते पर उस सड़क में एक मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया। कब जाने कब गुजरा अमृत गुजर, कब जाने लाहौर आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया।
दूसरी इनिंग्स का
शुरुआत हुआ है दूसरी इनिंग का। तो शंकर सर है, जाफरी साहब ओपनर आया है।
टाइटंस टीम गेंदबाजी की प्रैक्टिस करते हुए
है सर।
मास्टर्स टीम के बल्लेबाज ऑलरेडी पिच पर सर और जाफरी।
मैं तुझको भगा लाया हूँ तेरे घर से, मैं तुझको भगा लाया हूँ तेरे घर से, तेरे बाप के डर 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 से। जाऊंगा दूर लेके तुझे सबकी नजर से, जाऊंगा दूर लेके तुझे सबकी नजर से, तेरे बाप के डर 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 से।
मैं संग तेरे भाग चली मेरे घर से, मैं संग तेरे भाग चली मेरे घर से, मेरे बाप के डर 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 से। जाऊंगी दूर लेके तुझे सबकी नजर से, जाऊंगी दूर लेके तुझे सबकी नजर से, मेरे बाप
गुस्सा कम करो थोड़ा चूड़ी फूट जाए रंग छूट जाए तमन्ना रूठ जाए तोहरा राजा जी के दिलवा टूट जाए तोहरा राजा जी आई फेंक दो लोहा गुस्सा कम करो थोड़ा चूड़ी फूट जाए
Second innings about to start. Masters team batter Shankar sir, Jafri on the ground. Titans की तरफ से सोमेश as a bowler. पहली गेंद वाइड का इशारा 1 Byron 2 runs without a ball being bowled. अगली गेंद जाफरी on strike, it's into a leg side, fielder running towards the ball. Fielding there again. 1 run completed. Somesh the bowler. Shankar sir on strike for the first over. Tries to hit it leg side. Ball takes the edge of the bat. Goes behind the wicket keeper. Takes 1 run. Somesh the bowler again. Jafri on strike this time. Tries to hit it leg side, misses it completely. बहुत ही बेहतरीन बॉलिंग, जाफरी के पास कोई चांस नहीं। अगली गेंद लेग स्टंप की तरफ घुमा दिया, फील्डर वहां पे मौजूद, बाउंड्री लाइन पे फील्ड किया गया पर 1 रन से रोक नहीं पाए। Somesh ready with the bowling. Shankar sir on strike. What a shot there! Fielding there at the long on. Rustic for 1 run only. Jayanta Maiti, good athleticism. One over completed. एक ओवर की समाप्ति, 6 रन बोर्ड पर। नेक्स्ट बॉलर अमन सर, शंकर सर ऑन स्ट्राइक। अमन सर विद सेकंड ओवर, शंकर सर ऑन स्ट्राइक। What a ball, misses it completely. Next ball of the over, Shankar sir on strike. Misses it completely, missed by the keeper as well. 1 Byron completed with that.
उधर है सर, उधर है, एम्पायर के पास है बैट।
क्या है? सतीश क्या है?
Next ball of the over, Jafri on strike. This is it completely again. Fourth ball of the over. Jafri on strike. It's hitting the A towards the leg side. Good fielding there down the boundary line. 2 runs completed.
वही जाएगा हाँ वही आएगा
ये गेंद दूसरे ओवर की. जाफरी ऑन स्ट्राइक. गुड फील्डिंग देयर बाय सोमेश अगेन.
पकड़ो शाबाश वेल डन अमन सर दोनों लपट लिए
एक रन है 2 रन है. गुड बॉल. ओवर की समाप्ति. 2 ओवर में 10 रन.
हाँ सर
Two overs completed. 10 runs on the board. 71 more needed in 8 overs. थर्ड ओवर लेकर आते हैं सोमेश. जाफरी ऑन स्ट्राइक.
Listen close what I gotta say.
और इसको घुमा दिया लेग साइड में. गुड फील्डिंग देयर. This field by the bowler,
Love is the message, eh?
but no runs conceded.
Y'all ready? Let's go.
So Team Satish Nikam is back again. Okay. So second ball of Someshwar. Shankar sir is on strike. Missed. Ball is in air. Shankar sir
हिट विकेट के साथ.
खेला. 1 run only.
इश्क बिना हम कुछ नहीं
1 run. Shankar sir run out.
और इसके साथ शंकर चक्कर मारने की चक्कर.
यही है वो बॉलर
आउट हो गए.
जो विकेट लेते हैं.
हिट विकेट
हाँ okay.
सर गिर गया विकेट पे
अच्छा गिर गए. Okay.
वो घूम गए ना सर
हाँ हिट विकेट आउट. शंकर सर. आशीष सर रेडी.
रहना बनके दिल मंजिल मंजिल पे तुम्हें सब का है ये कहना चाहे जो आए लगे दिल Y'all ready to bring the rip back?
आशीष सर.
Rahul sir, Rahul sir, Rahul sir. Third, three, है ना? हाँ. Three ball completed. Fourth ball. Ashish sir, new batsman on strike in place of Shankar sir. Dot ball, well bowling by Someshwari, well experienced bowler. He played lot of league matches earlier too. Ashish sir on strike. Another missed. Variation in bowling, well variation by Someshwar Rao. And it's the last ball to go of this over. Full toss. Again missed.
ओवर की समाप्ति 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 11 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर
Manish Thakur will be the new bowler from Guna sir's team. Well bowler setup here. Well disciplined bowling.
75 more.
At the same time, you can see their fielder as well. All are boundary almost
Next bowler
covered.
Jafri on strike.
Boundaries are covered. Ashish Thakur is new bowler with his first over and fourth over for team. Jafri on strike. Manish Thakur. First ball to Jafri and it is in air. Wicket keeper backside running to ball, running toward ball and still only 1 run. They don't want to take any risk. They don't want to be run out. Yes, just they lost 1 wicket. Shankar sir is out. Hit wicket. Ashish sir on strike. Manish Thakur. And it will be 4. It should be 4 now. Oh no, fielder is there. They will get 2 runs. They will get 2 runs. Running between the wicket is very nice.
2 runs completed.
They completed 2 runs. But still, if they want to win, boundaries are required here. Yes, bowlers are not giving much extra runs.
Next ball. Manish. Ashish sir on strike.
Manish to Ashish sir. Again
This
missed.
is the ball.
Again missed.
Fourth over running.
Well placed. Well fielding by Aman sir over there.
Short field of the
It was chance of run out, but no.
1 रन का इजाफा. स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंचा 15 रन.
Jafri on strike now. Wow. Wow, it's in gap. It's in gap.
बाउंड्री बॉल
4 run.
बाउंड्री के बाद 4 रन के लिए
4 run by Jafri.
स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 19 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर चौथी ओवर में.
Manish Thakur to Jafri.
अगली गेंद.
Wow, what a shot. What a shot. It should be 4 again. It should be 4. Nothing was wrong in ball. It was well ball. But at the same time, good ball batting by Jafri. And he sent it to boundary.
20 रन स्कोर 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर चौथी ओवर
Cow
में.
leg. It's a 4 run. Although Someshwar Rao was their fielder, but there was no chance to stop
स्कोर
it.
हुआ 23 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर.
23 run after completion of 3 overs. राहुल सर 3 ओवर हुए ना, 4 हुए. 30-21. Guna sir is new bowler with his first over for team. It's a 5th over. Ashish sir is on strike.
Masters need 63 runs to win in 6 overs.
6 overs, 63 runs to win. All
bowling mark.
fielders
Ashish sir on strike.
are set on boundary. Here we go. First ball, Guna sir to Ashish sir. Missed. We show from closely.
कोई रन नहीं.
Second ball, Guna sir to Ashish sir.
Ball की दूसरी गेंद.
And it hit Someshwar Rao. Fielder is there at boundary. No, oh, still they are taking 2 runs, and easily they took 2 runs here. They want to restrict batsman to offside. Third ball, Guna sir to Ashish sir, and offside. It's a catch. It should be. It's dropped. It dropped and 1 run. Jaffrey on strike, Guna sir. Fourth ball.
Jaffrey on strike.
Wow! Whoa! It should be catch. It should be catch. You again missed. Again missed.
The boundary line. Also missed. 2 catches.
Here is the way you can. we can. Unlucky bowler of the day today, Guna sir. He was about to get 2 wickets, but no. Ashish sir on strike. It should be boundary. It should be boundary. It should be boundary. Yeah, no. Well fielding by Someshwar Rao, and just 2 run restricted, saved 2 run for team.
Score moves on to 29 for the loss of 1 wicket.
29 run, 4th over going on. Jaffrey playing from. He came up in opening. Ashish sir on strike. Guna sir next ball to Ashish sir. Wide.
Offside में मारने की कोशिश.
Wide, and they wanted to take run actually. Jaffrey was not ready.
Score बढ़ता हुआ 30 रन.
You show from close. Too credible. Oh! It's a 3 ball. What to say? 3 wicket. Was about to get.
सर पानी कितने चाहिए हमें अभी? तो ऑप्शन डाली नहीं तूने, वहाँ डाली वो तो घुमाई ऐसे रहा सर. वही मेरा तो घुमा रहे मैंने डाली तुम्हारा. बिकॉज आप ले लो विकेट, आउट हो गया बिकॉज आगे पीछे है सर. आप सिंगल ले लो, अगर मिल गया तो बॉल उड़ा दो.
Masters require 6
ये
runs to
मेंटर
win 5
ऑफसाइड
overs.
मेंटर बाबा साहब.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं जितना स्लो डाल सकते सर. आज बहुत ओवर है, रन बहुत कम है, अच्छा खेल सकते हैं सर. 50 रन चाहिए अभी.
चलो 4 over completed. It's a 5th over. Jayanta Maiti coming with his first over for team. It's a 5th over. Jaffrey will be on strike. He's playing from starting. Well set batsman Jaffrey.
Jaffrey to take the strike.
We can expect lot from Jaffrey now.
Masters require 56 runs to win in 5 overs.
56 runs required in 5 over. Each over they need 11 run. So all set, fielding set, and here we go. Jayanta Maiti's first ball to
Jayanta
Jafri.
Maiti with the bowling. Jafri on strike.
Wow,
This is incompletely
lofty.
missed by the keeper. Batter running for 1 wicket.
One run. It should be buys. Yeah, buys. Ashish sir on strike now. Let us see.
Jayanta bowling. Ashish sir on strike.
Ashish sir on strike. Missed.
Dot ball.
Missed. Dot ball. 2 ball, 1 run. We can say good bowling by Jayanta Maiti here.
अगली गेंद जयंत माइती की आशीष सर के लिए.
Whoa, full toss and it should be boundary. It should be boundary now. No, Someshwar Rao is off wall there at boundary always, and he's stopping almost fours. This is third 4 stopped by Someshwar Rao. Very active fielder at boundary line. Ashish sir
अगली गेंद जयंता की.
on strike. Yeah, and it's in here. Two fielder Guna sir, Aman sir is there, but always it will be misunderstanding when ball is in here and two fielder are trying to catch it.
अगली गेंद जाफरी
Stop
के
it.
लिए.
Jayanta to Jafri, and it's in here now.
शानदार शॉट.
It's in here. Wow, missed. Thakur
एक और कैच ड्रॉप.
missed, but
Right hand
and they
scorer.
took 2 runs.
इसी बीच 2 रन पूरे.
They completed 2 runs, running between the wicket. We can see here very well and good.
अगली गेंद जयंता माइती की.
Jayanta Maiti to Jafri.
जाफरी ने
It's Someshwar Rao again. Let's see. You will stop it. He stopped. Only gave 1 run. Boundary almost 20 to 30 meter boundary covered by Someshwar Rao at leg side. He's not allowing ball to go at boundary and stopping and saving lot of run for his team. 6 over completed.
Next bowler Sampat sir.
Next bowler Sampat sir.
Ball the 7th over of the innings. Jafri on
With his
strike.
first over for team, it's the 7th over. Jafri is on
The Masters
strike.
needs a good.
Here we go, and first ball Sampat to Jafri.
Misses the ball. Jafri
Yorker,
again.
slow Yorker. Couldn't judge. Jafri couldn't judge it. And next ball, second ball.
Next ball.
Sampat to
Pure,
Jafri.
on strike.
No
Misses it completely.
variation in bowling. First ball was Yorker, second ball was offside, slow, and totally missed. Two balls, no run. Third ball, Sampat to Jafri, and missed again. What a variation we can say. What a variation in bowling.
Dot balls on
Good
the
line
top.
and length. Good bowling.
Required run they're beating up with every dot ball.
Now again Someshwar Rao. Let us see. It's a 5th boundary stopped by Someshwar Rao. He is saving lot of run for team. Last 2 ball. Jafri on strike again. Hanumant Reddy.
Last ball, Jafri.
Not, yes, he will stop it, but 2 runs, they will take 2 runs. Running between the wicket is very nice in both player. Well calling, both are ready from both ends. Although they are not getting boundaries, but they are taking ekka dukka
Jafri
run.
on strike.
It should be boundary. And yes,
4 runs. What a shot.
yes,
Jafri.
4 runs. Jafri
Short ball.
playing incredible
Hit.
inning here.
Over completed. At the end of 7 overs, 43 for 1 wicket. The score for
43,
3 ओवर है
1, 3 over slept.
7 कंप्लीट
सीधा डालो.
Masters required 43 runs in 3 overs.
43 each over they need 14 run each over.
Masters team.
It's a little tough but not impossible. It's a quite possible. Fielding is set well. Aman sir is ready with his first over.
Aman sir on the bowling mark. Ashish sir on strike.
Wow. It should be 2. Only they will take 1. They will stop for 1.
Leg ball.
Ashish sir is ready for 2 run. Always.
Required 42 more in 17 balls.
Second ball. Aman sir to Jafri. Oh, it's in air. It's in air. Jayanta Mathew is there. And it's a miss. Drop.
It's up in the air.
It's a drop. It's a fifth catch. Fifth catch dropped by Guna sir team. कैच पकड़ो जीतो मैच, पकड़ो कैच जीतो मैच, ऐसा कहा जाता है. तो जब ये टीम अगर हारती है तो
Down to 45.
जब अमन सर टू वाओ व्हाट अ स्टॉप.
Ashish sir. Anish sir the fielder.
1 run.
1 run completed.
It was on wicket. Got 1 run. Jafri. Let us see what Jafri can do for his team. And it's out. It's out. First catch. First catch after long time.
Jafri is out. The bowling of Aman sir.
Sixth one.
सर एट लास्ट कैच मिला है.
After 5 catch drop, 6 catch, they took Samir. Chandan is new batsman in place of Jafri. And now Hanumant Reddy should be ready. No, Rahul sir? Hanumant Reddy should be ready now. He's the leg side. Oh, he play the leg side shots. So
Next ball. Chandan sir on strike.
Chandan sir also. Wow, what a ball! What a ball! Super.
59 more required in 2.1 overs for the Masters to win the game.
Aman sir to Chandan, and it's in air. It's in air. It's in air. Should be 2 run. Should be 2.
2 runs completed means the ball. Over completed. 8 overs completed. 37 more required.
37 more required in 2 overs. It's looks
37
impossible.
required for the Masters to win the game in 2 overs.
2 over 37 run. It's not that much easy, but not impossible as well. It's a depend if they get 2-3 boundaries, consecutive boundaries required, and 20 plus run they need to take from this over itself, so they can release from pressure for next over. Ashish sir on strike. Someshwar Rao
37 required
coming with
in
9th
2
over.
overs.
Yeah, and it's offside. Long on. 2 run. They will get easily 2 run. Running between the wicket is very nice.
35 required in 11 balls.
35 run required in 11 balls. Wow, what a shot again. It's in air and out. Out. Second catch.
Good catch in the field. Ashish sir out.
Guna- Next batsman Syed Baba. Chandan. Both are good batsmen. They are known for hitter. As we can see, last year GSPL, this batsman played very important role, crucial role for their team. They made lot of run with boundaries.
36 more required by the Masters in 10 balls.
36 runs required in 10 ball. That means every ball they required one boundary. If it is mega, that's always good again. Syed Baba is on strike. Someshwar Rao with his third ball. Let's see what Syed Baba can do. And it's the third ball. Syed Baba, it's wow. Offside Yorker, slow Yorker. Totally missed by Syed Baba. And dot. This is fourth ball. Someshwar Rao to Syed Baba, again missed. What a bowling.
और एक डॉट बॉल.
Fifth ball. Wow. It will not work.
7 balls.
Almost.
36 to win.
Guna sir team dominated here by bowling. And it's boundary. It should be boundary.
शानदार स्ट्रोक 4 रन के लिए.
And it's a 4 run.
बॉल की समाप्ति.
It's a 4 run in last ball.
32 रन चाहिए.
32 run from 6 ball. Every ball required 6 run. 36. 6 and 4.
Last over of the innings. 32 more runs required to win.
चल भाई पीछे सिंगल ले लेंगे ना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. स्कोर
32 required in last over.
32 required in 6 ball. Let us see what
Last over
Chandan
के
and
बाद
Syed Baba can do for their
Chandan
team.
on strike.
Aman sir, who did good bowling in last over,
32 रन चाहिए.
with his second
आखिरी
over
over
for
innings
team.
का.
It's the last over.
And
First ball,
again-
Aman to Chandan, and it will be, and it's a lofty shot, and outside of boundary, 5 meter out from boundary. Chandan is known for his hitting, and he's looking in his form. Still, they have time. They can pull the match in their favor. We have ball. Ball is back. Now 26 run required from 5 ball.
आखिरी ओवर की. चंदन सर on strike.
Again it's mega. Again mega outside of boundary. It's a 5 meter outside of boundary. Super.
4 गेंदें और 20 रन.
What a
चाहिए
crucial
जीतने के लिए.
moment. We can see first match between
लगातार
Flex
3 छक्कों
and
के
ACR2. Same moment we can see here. Also in this match, it was now 18th run in 4 ball, 20 run, 20 run in 4 ball.
Third ball of the last over. Chandan sir on strike. 20 runs required to win.
Missed.
Forward misses incomplete.
Missed.
Listen close what I gotta say.
Welcome back.
'Cause you know
Aman,
there ain't no
sir.
other way.
Very quiet. Jumping up.
It's
3 sixes required.
3 ball 20 run.
You ready? Let's go.
2 ball 20 run. 2 ball 20 run. Formalities are left now.
आखिरी 2 गेंदें शेष.
It's a tough. It is no ball as well, but still tough. There was the appeal. There was the appeal.
एक गेंद बची है.
No, no, no. One ball से ना.
Last ball of the innings.
अच्छा उधर गई क्या? ओके. इधर का इतना देखते नहीं है. Wow, what a what a changes in bowling. Incredible. And this is the winning team.
एक शानदार जीत टाइगर्स द्वारा.
For your loved ones.
हमारा एक ही टीम है यार बाबा टीम यार धुरंधर परस चंदन को पहले नहीं
It's time for the celebration. I request everyone to gather.
वो 2 बॉल नहीं लगे यार.
Be quick and fast. We are running out of the time.
So it was the last match of the day, and we're switching off here. We'll get back next year. Thank you all. Thank you all viewers.
I request everyone to form a circle.